Hello, in this video I will explain how can you make 72 angle by using ruler and compass, and I will explain the easiest method. So let's start. First of all, you need to make a line segment with any measurement that you like. So here I will take 3 centimeter. I am not taking it big, I am taking as small as possible, and I am taking this video in zoom of my software. I have zoomed the screen so that you can see the things clearly. So I selected 3 centimeter, but you can select anything 5, 6, 7, whatever you like. So you need to make one line like this. Then you need to take your rounder and you need to take radius as much as the measurement of line segment. So my line segment is 3 centimeter. So I took 3 centimeter, and you should use as sharp pencil as possible so that you can get the perfect construction, perfect 72 angle at the end. So I took measurement 3 centimeter and made this circle. Now I will take my rounder over here at 3 centimeter, and again I will make the circle. I will try to arrange it as perfect as I can, and I made again one circle. Now you need to connect these intersection and these intersection. So I will just connect it very fast. And yes, I have connected this. You can even stretch these line segment little bit. Now you are almost done. What next you need to do? You will put your rounder over here, and now you will make one more circle, but I will change the color of my pen so that you can see the things clearly. I will arrange it as perfect as I can because I want perfect 72, not little bit more or less. So I arranged it as perfect as I can, and I made the circle. Now at the last step, what you need to do, you need to connect this point with this point. I will highlight 2 points how I made this line because you might not have understood it clearly. So I will show you first this point. I made the line, this line, in such a way it passes from this point over here where my arrow is, and one point is this one here. So this point I just made small circle for you to understand, and small circle here. I made a line that passes from this point and this point. And now what you need to do at the end, you just need to connect this point over here. Let me make it as perfect as I can so that I can get exit 72. This point with this, and you just need to extend this line little bit, this red line, and you are done. This angle is 72. Let's measure it by using the protractor. This angle is 72. Yeah, steps are little more, but it's not hard. There are some students who think it's really very hard, but I think you might have find it easy after watching this video. So I have used the magnifying feature of my Windows, and you can see here 70, this is 70, 71 and 72. It is almost exact 72. I have used the zoom feature so that you can see the things clearly. 70, 71 here and 72. So this is how you can make 72 angle by using compass and ruler. I hope you find this video useful. If you find this useful, don't forget to press the like button. Thank you so much for watching my video.